Yo, we're back in the garage, Trendy's garage. Hello, Kendi. How are you doing? Yep. We just dropped off Mama. At the work. Getting her little 10 hours in. But yeah. Where's that package I got? Oh yeah. So yeah, we got this thing today. From Amazon, a new Ryobi lawnmower battery. We got a package for the lawnmower.
What?
The battery.
Battery? In charge?
Raw! Alright. Comes to one battery, 40 volt, 7 AA. Long lasting battery. Use the manual. Okay. Huh? Alright. Here you go, girl. You want this one? Here's the battery. Looks good. I don't know what a stock battery looks like, but it's 3 bars. Charger. So this was about 56 bucks, I believe. Non-name brand. Right. See if the charger works. Yeah, it's on. See, plug in the battery. All right. See if it works. Charging. There's 3 bars. Not bad. Looks like it's charging. Must mean it's blinking. It's charging. Blink, blink, blink. Alright, let's go test it out real quick. How do I take it out? Just pull out. Just a big.
Assets at one of the lowest costs on average.
Robinhood offers advanced trading tools to help.
Alright guys, today we're checking out this Ryobi 40 volt brushless. There has to be this metal bar either from the mulcher plug or the bag right here in order for that to start. So if you don't have your mulcher plug in or your bag installed, it's not going to start. So now that you have your key in and
Alright, I'm back. Tried to start the lawnmower, did not work out. battery. I'll probably charge it. Move. I need a key. Red key. Come on. Come on. Alright, I don't know what's in store for today, but we'll figure it out. Probably do some sanding. I want to prep the car for wrap. That's like, kind of enjoy doing that. Want to get that out of the way, you know. I'm gonna start doing the bumper and primering the bumper after I sand it. Gotta do some Bondo work as well on the bumper. Some damaged parts. Yeah, gonna get to it. Stay busy and work on my project. Have some fun with it. Alright, see you guys later. Peace. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, Kyle. Fix it.
Locate the freight. Where's my bike? Shooting ammo and all that stuff. Hey. You have no one else here, dude.
Go.
Fucking asshole. Oh no, I got rid of my chopper for that. Alright, well, I'm going to shop. I'm going to try
Right
it.
here.
So if I get, oh, you
Wow.
piece of shit.
Good job.
My guy. Oh my god. Oh yeah, but as
Oh.
Get the diamond lake out of the suit. Copy that.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, that's, you didn't even say anything else.
Wow.
What?
Fixing it.
I think I need to get
You for fix it.
uh,
Good job. Boom. I see you.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm pissed off with these fucking clowns. Well taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.
Just made some ramps. Just need a little bit.
And you got chicken steak, chicken breast. You like a champ,
2x4s.
That's why I change the
Cheapest thing you can do to
this important match.
just make your own stuff, you know.
Of this
You can do it. You can think of it. You can make it.
We are doing Ramadan right now. We not stop training.
Save money.
Full last year.
You know?
Since February.
All right.
We start to pull up down.
I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just be chilling with the kids. Probably take a nap soon or something. But yeah. See you guys later. Peace. Good morning, good day, good day. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Everybody say hi. Say hi.
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 Boy.
All right. Turn this down a little bit. All right, guys. I'm just gonna work on the car right now. Just gonna do some sanding. Got a lot of sanding to do. Whole body sanding. Smooth down the whole car. Yeah. So kids, you gotta listen if they want to play in the garage, right? All right, let's get to it. I hope you guys have a good day. Everybody stay blessed. Keep it up. All right, let's go.
Do to this car with one thing, and that's add some serious power. So today
sanded it down a bit, just a fender. Need to do some Bondo work. Sanded it down with 600 grit. Oh, hello. Welcome back to the garage. Just gonna be working on the car a little bit, doing some sanding. Just killing some time. So I'll pick up the daughter in a little bit, probably 30 minutes, 40 minutes or so. But yeah, enjoy some sanding. Gonna do some bumper sanding, some 400 grit. Actually, I have 220 grit. Maybe I should try that out first. No, it's okay. I'll just try 400 first to see if I can blend the cracking paint. All right, let's see how it goes. Enjoy. Hi, bye-bye. Hello. You got your toys? Yeah. Yeah.
But I see purple color. But it's not my purple color. I love pink and green and blue dark. And the blue dark have a love blue. I love pink. But I love purple in the color and yellow.
Yeah?
But I love yellow and Daddy.
Oh, apple?
Yeah, I love apple. Yeah, I love purple and pink and yellow and I love this yellow and green. I love blue. I love this orange. I love red.
Yeah?
But I love purple. It's the same. And pink.
Okay.
And white. I love white and black, Daddy. I colored my shirt.
Yeah?
With purple and yellow. Daddy, make my clear right. I colored this purple, yellow, pink, and green, blue, red.
Mm-hmm. Yeah?
But it's never sparkles. It's like. But because sparkles and it's like blue, Miss Purple, blue, and Miss Pink. Daddy, Mommy, you're dancing. Mom, Daddy, Mommy, he's just dancing outside.
Yeah. She's making TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. Video. But Mommy's doing video TikTok.
Mommy cool.
But Mommy dance so cool. Mommy dance are better. Mommy dance herself. Mommy good. But I have. Tell me to do this. Mommy, Daddy, how do I do this? Stop.
Broke a couple boats.
How about
All good?
But how do this stop?
Not too bad. I'm not gonna use those parts anyways. That piece look ugly anyways. Just took off the bottom pieces of this right here. I think they're just to help protect the bottom of the bumper. Bumper's already fucked up. Yeah, just some like bumper guards or something. Alright, alright, alright. Bunch of broken boats. Alright, it's time to go pick up the daughter. Finished up a little bit of sanding and work on the car a little bit. Alright, hope you guys have a good one. See you in a minute. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
See ya.